Maintenance is at the heart of any operation. Whether you're clearing roads, building construction sites on time, servicing power lines, you need equipment that is ready to go every day. At Samsara, we've been helping our customers with maintenance for a decade. And when they tell us they need a better solution, we listen. Maintenance is one of the biggest costs in any operation. It consumes about 10% of the operating budget, but it's really hard to know where that money goes. These are massive costs. But if you can reduce them even slightly, the gains to efficiency and profitability are enormous. And that's what we do at Samsara Maintenance. Samsara Maintenance is a unified platform that connects your operations, your maintenance, and your safety programs. It's not just about running a more efficient maintenance shop. It's about keeping vehicles on the road, equipment on the job site, and keeping your team safe. Here's how it works. With Samsara Maintenance, you can manage the full maintenance lifecycle, from issue detection, to work orders, to inventory, to cost reporting, all in one place. Our industry-leading AI is what sets us apart. And with Samsara Intelligence, you can reduce manual paperwork, saving you valuable time. Here we have an invoice. In seconds, the Samsara AI can scan it, process the information, and categorize the costs of part and labor. Manual entry that used to take hours is digitized in an instant, and it gives you a real cost insight to make better decisions. High downtime is one of the largest hidden costs of maintenance. A major cause? Repeat shop visits. Vehicles and equipment comes back again and again for issues that could have been fixed the first time. Let me show you how Samsara helps you avoid those boomerang shop visits and keeps your equipment on the road longer. So as you can see, this vehicle has an open defect that was submitted through the Samsara driver app. It's right here. There's no need to copy data between systems. The inspection system, the maintenance system, it's all connected. Now, let's create a work order. You go to this defect, and with just 2 clicks, it's done. And at this point, the system will automatically suggest additional issues that needed to be added to this work order, so we can handle everything in just one visit. I can add those additional service tasks right here and make sure nothing gets missed. This means this vehicle does not come back again in a couple of weeks. It's more time on the road and less time on the shop. And if I wanted to export this work order to a third-party shop, I could do that too. We've also added inventory management to Samsara Maintenance. Here, you can track part quantities and locations, and you can get notified when stock is running low. That way, mechanics always have what they need, reduces their idle time, and gets equipment back on the road. It also gives you clarity into where maintenance dollars are being spent by part and location. And because safety is in our DNA, we built in controls to prevent unsafe vehicles from getting back on the road. If a vehicle is marked as out of service, drivers will get a warning if they try to select it. At the end of the day, maintenance isn't just about equipment, it's about people. When we help you keep assets running safely and reliably, we're helping your teams deliver for their communities. That's the power of a unified maintenance platform.